Learn French family relations, easy and fun for beginners. Bonjour. Welcome to today's lesson on family relations in French. We'll learn how to name family members, understand their English meanings, and practice with some simple examples. Let's get started. Here are some common family relations in French and their English meanings. La famille, the famille, le père, the father, la mère, the mother, le fils, the son, la fille, the daughter, le frère, the brother, la sœur, the sister, les parents, parraho, the parents, le grand-père, grand-père, the grandfather, la grand-mère, grand-mère, the grandmother, l'oncle, l'ohoclou, the uncle, la tante, the aunt, le cousin, cousaho, the male cousin, la cousine, the female cousin, le mari, the husband, la femme, the wife. Now that we know the words, let's practice how to use them in sentences. Repeat after me. Mon père s'appelle Paul. My father's name is Paul. Ma mère est gentille. My mother is kind. J'ai une sœur et un frère. I have a sister and a brother. Mes grands-parents habitent à Paris. My grandparents live in Paris. Mon cousin adore jouer au foot. My cousin loves playing football. Excellent! Now let's move on to an exercise. Match the French words with their English meanings. Alright, here we go. Le père, la sœur, les parents, la tante, le mari. Now, here are your options. A, the wife, B, the parents, C, the father, D, the aunt, A, the sister. Write your answers in your notebook and we'll check them shortly. Ready for the answers? Let's check. Le père, C. The father, la sœur, E. The sister, les parents, B. The parents, la tante, D. The aunt, le mari, A. The husband. Great job, you're doing amazing. Keep practicing these words and soon you'll be a pro at talking about your family in French. À bientôt, see you soon.